If you've lost access to your YouTube account and can't receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the YouTube sign-in page. Visit the YouTube sign-in page and enter your email address associated with your account. Click on Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Recovery Options. You will be prompted to choose a recovery option. Since you don't have access to verification codes, look for alternative options such as answering security questions or using backup email addresses. Step 3. Use backup email or phone number. If you have previously set up a backup email or phone number, select that option. You will receive a link or code to your backup email or phone, which you can use to reset your password. Step 4. Answer security questions. If you don't have access to backup options, you may be asked to answer security questions. Provide accurate answers to the questions you set up when you created your account. Step 5. Submit a recovery request. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can work towards regaining access to your YouTube account even without verification codes. Good luck!